When I dance, I am totally in the now. There is no past and no future, just the present moment.
Dancing gives me the ability to know every single part of my body. This is really important because my body is the only thing I will keep till the end.
When I think about dance, I think about the essence of life.
We are always moving. Our atoms are always moving. The whole universe is always moving. Without movement, there is no life.
Dance is groove. That is certainly the most important thing for me. It comes from inside, but from a very relaxed place inside.
It is a way filled with possibilities. It is a precious secret that you want to share. It is silence that wants to talk. It is imagination that brings you everywhere.
Dance is not only some random movements in space. It is becoming an element that I count among the languages I speak.
Dance is not something that we do on the outside. It is something that we are from the inside.
I on dance a relationship. I love it, it love me. I hate it, it hate me.
Keeping the desire of communication, growing outside, inside, body space.
Space, time, movement, and of course, the passion that drives us.
Sweat, tears, and painful evenings are nothing compared to the joy of dance. After all, you made me travel the world, taught me how to be myself, taught me how to accept myself.
Dancing is the most sincere and honest way of expression. It communicates through emotions and affect, and can therefore reach beyond language. The body never lies.